What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to give you guys a little bit of an engine update on some of the stuff you can expect to be coming to the Dundee plant. Now, this is the same plant that, unfortunately, we had some different Mopar sites put out articles about Hemis coming there, and that there would be Hemis being built there now, already by the summer. Yeah, that didn't happen. that was a massive swing and a miss. But we do have some more info, and I'm going to talk to you guys about all that and more right after this. Guys, before we get into today's video, got to talk about the giveaway we got going on right now. We got that new Dodge Durango Hellcat. Extremely low miles, F8 green, gold wheels, comes with a trailer, and because everybody wanted a classic Mopar, I was like, you know what? If I could find one for something to just throw in on it, and I found a just stupid deal with a 1973 running and driving Plymouth Satellite. That whole thing comes together as a package. You can win the Durango, have a trailer, and have a project car to build out for yourself. Link is in the description down below, tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. The extra entries, or the massive amount of entries per dollar that's in there, are wrapping up. There's only a few remaining, less than what I have as fingers on my hands. So link in the description down below. Use coupon code TK to get a discount off your entire order, or use the coupon code COMBO to get 50% off the 50x multiplier. All right, so let's get in on this. There is a new engine program that'll be announced, what I'm hearing, next Tuesday, or this coming Tuesday, during a plant town hall. So we heard all of the stuff about Dundee was supposed to be getting Hemis, right? They're not getting a Hemi. They're going to be doing another Hurricane 4 line. So the 4-cylinder Hurricane, okay? So their minds got changed at the plant due to plant size constraints and the complexity. They already couldn't machine the heads at that facility anyway if they were going to build the Hemis, so they would have to do that somewhere else anyway. And Dundee's not a really large facility, right? So it's already a small facility in general. So trying to, add that Hemi line there just wasn't going to work. But adding another Hurricane line or Hurricane 4 line, they might be able to get that in. Now, what we're hearing is it looks like Kokomo may get the Hemis or the Hemi work. And we should know a lot more after the meetings or after the information that comes out on Tuesday after the town hall after they do the announcement for the engines for this new engine line at Dundee on Tuesday. Look, I think we do need to get some Hemi production here in the U.S. This is not a secret, man. Saltillo down there in Mexico is pretty much knocking everything out right now. And they're on 24/7, that line is running nonstop to pump out as many 5.7s as they can. And they're trying to fit in 6.4s left, right, and center. And now they got to build Hellcat engines too. So, I think having Kokomo online, which let's say Kokomo is going to build the Hemi, right? You're looking at the earliest, 10 to 12 months. And that's if they tool on some psycho crazy shit to get that done. I don't see them getting it done in the next year. I think we're going to be getting engines out of Mexico until 2028. Now, What I am hearing is that this new dual overhead cam Hemi is going to be produced at Kokomo, but it could also be produced at Dundee because it's a smaller displacement and a smaller size engine overall. That wouldn't surprise me. I could also see the 5.7 and 6.4 not coming back to the U.S. I mean, just being built in Mexico in perpetuity. And these new 426 engines, and there's supposed to be 3 different variants, they could build those at Kokomo. Now that would make sense. But I think that they need some 5.7 and some 6.4 Apache production here. I think it's a thing. I think they need to build those engines here in the U.S. too, just to have them. And it gives you that flexibility. Maybe some crazy tariff happens with Mexico or whatever. Maybe USMCA gets blown up, torn up or whatever. If that happens, you have the ability. Are you going to crank out as many engines that you're doing in Saltillo? No. But you have the ability to still make some engines so that you're not completely assed out. I think having all your eggs in one basket with Saltillo is extremely dangerous, me personally. But let me know what you guys think about this info in the comment section down below. Like I said, it's Saturday, so we should know more information, Sunday, in the next 3 days. So it'll be interesting to see what comes out of the meetings and what comes out of that town hall. But yeah, basically another Hurricane 4 line, and looks like Kokomo's going to get Hemi work. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.